How to mark DMs as unread on Instagram. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So here, as you can see, I am already on my Instagram app. So right here I have 3 Instagram accounts, but you will not need those 3. I have it to show you what you have to do. So this Instagram account right here is a private account. So if I try to hold on the message or swipe if you have an iPhone, as you can see, I only have a delete option, mute messages and mute call notifications. But if I go to my other account, first let me send there a message. So to Ali and June. So I will go to Ali and John right now. As you can see, I have this message right here. I didn't read it. So if I go to the message and then if I go back and then if I hold on the message, as you can see, I have several options right here. I have move to general, mark as unread. So this is the important one. You just have to click on it and there you have it. So if you want to mark as unread your messages, you just have to switch to a professional account. So you have to go to your profile, then click on those 3 lines from the right up corner, and then go to settings, and then you have to go to account. So here, if you scroll down at the bottom, you will see switch account type. So here you have to click on switch account type and switch to a professional account. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can smash that like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.